Hi, I'm Diane. I'm going to tell you how much YouTube has paid me in the last 6 months since being monetized. Being on YouTube is like being on a roller coaster. It really is. My dogs are in here, so be prepared for anything. I've been doing the same thing every month. Just posting a video, one that I wanted to do that particular day. No big deal, right? Well, they vary greatly. Some make money, some barely make money. It's just, it's a crapshoot, really. You never know. All you can do is keep trying. And that's all I'm going to do is keep trying. I don't think I will ever give up. So, I wish that YouTube was a little bit more dependable. You know, so you could kind of know that everything's going to be okay instead of... I've been stressing out for, I don't know, a couple of weeks. Really, I have. And I'm trying to get over that, and I'm making my way clear to get over that. However, I want you to know that I'm grateful for every dollar that YouTube has given to me. I'm very grateful. I know as a subscriber, as a creator, I wished I knew that magic button that you could push that would make a video be watched by many, many, many people. But I don't know that. And I'm tired of watching all these gurus who think they can tell you what to do to make a viral video. It's just not true. It's just the luck of the draw. It really is. So, how about subscribers? I have almost 20,000. I don't think they matter a hill of beans. That might make you feel good. Oh, I've almost got 20,000 subscribers. No, it does not, because that does not mean that 20,000 people who have subscribed are going to watch my next video. No, far from it. Very, very far from it. I don't even know what it means. I really don't know what it means. And I'm serious that no one could explain that to me. So I pay no attention to the subscribers. Because it does not matter. Okay? Why are they even subscribed to my channel if they're not going to watch it? I do not understand. Okay, that's enough about that. The views. That is what matters. That is what is meaningful to me. Yes, I have some videos that have gotten 399,000 views. I have one that's got 120,000 views. And one that's got, I don't know, 110,000 views. I'm guessing. I haven't looked at them in a while. I've got one that's got 24,000. That is a good number to aim toward. Or even 14. I've had one that had 14, 12, 10. Things like that. But as a general rule, my videos get 1,000 views first 24 hours. And then 2 or 3 days later, they have maybe 14 to 1,800 views. I hope I said that right the first time. Yeah, most of my videos get 1,000 views in the first 24 hours. And then 3 days later, maybe 1,700 views. Okay, yes. But those views equate money. If the ads are watched, you make from 8, well, let's say 6. You make from $6 to $12 per 1,000. It's not very many. That's why I try to make 3 videos a week. Some people make one every day. I'm not going to do that. I don't have the time to do that. The time involved is after you make the video. All the downloading and uploading and, you know, editing and all that kind of stuff. Yeah. So what I've earned on YouTube for the past 6 months, I actually took a snapshot on my phone as proof that I'm telling you the truth, where it's listed on, you know, the YouTube studio thing that they send you, that you've got all the, you have access to it all the time. I just took a snapshot of that as proof. So it's upside down. You know, the one at the top will be what I earned in January, and the ones listed below, you know, you get paid a month after. You know what I'm saying? So if it says December earnings, I really made that in November. You know what I'm saying? But they're listed. There's 5 under the January one. So I'm going to give you like 7 seconds to look at it. And I wished I knew how to put it up on the screen. I do not. I've tried all morning to figure that out. I'm going to have to do that later when my brain is a little less befuddled. Okay? So here is the picture that I snapshotted. Okay, January was a little disheartening. Actually, it was a lot disheartening. I made less this January than I have any other month. And this was my first real month retired. So that added a little bit more to my stress level. Yeah, but I'm almost over all that stress stuff. Almost. I'm getting there. Okay, so I made $285 in January. Okay, that's my 6th month. In December, I made $885, which is not terrific, but it's okay. November, I made $3,370. That was a great month. Great. October, I made $351. In September, I made $528. And my very first month, which was actually 3 weeks, when I got monetized on August the 7th, that August I made $913. Okay, so if you add all 6 months together, because if you have a good month like I had in November, $3,000, I'm not going to spend it all and get rid of it. No, I'm going to put it back and save it and use it only for living expenses. I am retired. I don't need any more stuff. I'm just surviving now, right? So I keep all extra money in savings. Nonetheless, if you add up the 6 months, I made $6,333. Now, if you divide that by 6, saying that I could use all of this money spread out over 6 months, I would have had $1,055 for my living expenses per month. That would work for me. It certainly would. That would be great. Now, all I have to do is hopefully have 1 or 2 videos that kind of go viral. You know, maybe 100,000, 150,000 views. Just 2 of those every 6 months, and I can live another 6 months. You understand? Okay. So, long story short, I'm keeping my fingers crossed for myself and for you to make enough on YouTube to have a very comfortable life. Because these videos take time and effort. Yes, they do. Okay, love's coming your way, guys.